We are here to tell your story. We're here to sell your product. We're here to share your experiences and invite the world to Greater Miami and Miami Beach.
First and foremost, I'm here to thank you for joining us this morning at the Greater Miami Convention and Visitors Bureau Annual Planning Workshop. Every year, our team leaders put together some preliminary ideas, some plans. The goal is to share with you some of those ideas and, more importantly, solicit feedback and then bake that in to our final plans that are then recommended to our board. So your participation is arguably the most important part.
We all know our destination is really very multifaceted. It's a place that really allows you to be every version of yourself because the destination offers all these different attributes.
I really want sustainability to be practical, and it's something everybody can do. And I like to be able to show people, sort of illuminate the path on how to do that.
Thank you for joining us, for being our partner, for being here, and for providing feedback to everyone today.